I'm Billy, manager here in the reconditioning department, and I'm here with Chevy tip of the day. A good tip for cleaning your dash, because it gets real dirty, is use a microfiber towel. Whatever cleaner you decide to use, the microfiber towel will pick up all the dirt and not leave anything behind. After you've cleaned your dash with whatever cleaner you choose, when you're applying Armor All or Shine, it's best to spray it on the rag first to apply it to your dash so it doesn't get all over your windows. It gives you that blurry look. Floor mats get a lot of grime and dirt. Best way to do it, fold it up like a taco. Just let it out real easy, dump it in the trash unless you gotta clean up. General rule of thumb, always wet your vehicle before you wash it. Because if you hit your dry paint with soapy water, you'll grind the surface dust and road grit into your paint finish. Professional detailers always start with a clear water rinse to remove as much dust and dirt as possible. Thanks for watching, and check back next week for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to schedule your next service appointment at CoChevy.com.